You have the skills. You work hard, but you lose the job because of English. Welcome. I am Julia. I am your English speaking expert. And today, we change your story. Not tomorrow, not after one more course. Today. Right now, in the next few minutes, you will learn exactly what to say. In a job interview, in simple, clear, confident English. And at the end of this video, I will give you one magic sentence. One sentence that makes the interviewer forget your grammar and see your value instead. Stay with me until the end. This sentence has changed lives. It will change yours too. But first, I want to tell you something important. Something nobody tells immigrants. Something nobody tells beginners. The interviewer is not a grammar teacher. They are not checking your tenses. They are not counting your mistakes. They are asking one question in their mind. Can this person do the job? That is the only question. So your job is simple. Show them you can do the job in simple words, in honest words, in clear words. Remember this. Write it down if you need to. Broken English is better than silent English. Silence loses jobs. Simple words win jobs. Always. Now, let us start your first micro win. I will give you 3 simple sentences. Say them out loud, right now, with me. If you can say this next sentence, type I can in the comments. My name is your name, and I am ready for this interview. Say it, out loud. Do not be shy. Nobody is watching except you. That sentence has 7 words of real power. It shows confidence, it shows preparation, it shows presence. You just had your first win, and we are only getting started. Let us talk about the mindset first, because fear lives in the mind, not in the English language. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall, they get up, they fall again. They never think, I am bad at walking. They just keep going. You must do the same with English. Fall, get up, keep going. Perfect grammar is not the goal. Being understood is the goal. A doctor does not need a beautiful accent. A doctor needs to explain the treatment clearly. An engineer does not need perfect sentences. An engineer needs to explain the solution. You are not trying to sound like the BBC. You are trying to get hired. And that is a much easier job. Broken English is better than silent English. Now let us go into our 3 scenarios. These are real situations from real interviews. Practice them like your job depends on it, because it does. Scenario 1, the first impression. The interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself." Most people panic here. They say too much, or they say too little, or they say nothing because they are frozen. Here are your 3 sentences. Simple, clear, powerful. Number 1, I am a job title with number years of experience. Number 2, I am very good at your skill, and I enjoy this work. Number 3, I am excited to bring my skills to your team. That is your complete answer. 3 sentences. Nothing more is needed right now. Now let us practice together. Repeat after me. I am a professional with experience in my field. I am very good at my work, and I enjoy it. I am excited to bring my skills to your team. Say those 3 sentences 5 times today. In the mirror, in your kitchen, in the car. Say them until they feel like your own words, because they are your words now. Why do these sentences work? Because they are direct, because they show confidence, because they tell the interviewer exactly what they need to know in under 30 seconds. Scenario 2, the tough question. The interviewer says, Why should we hire you? This question scares everyone, not just immigrants, not just beginners, everyone. But it does not need to scare you, because you already know the answer. You just need the right words. Here are your 3 sentences. Number 1, I have experience doing exactly this kind of work. Number 2, I am a fast learner, and I adapt quickly to new environments. Number 3, I am reliable, I am motivated, and I will give my best every day. Now repeat after me. I have experience doing exactly this kind of work. I am a fast learner, and I adapt quickly. I am reliable, motivated, and I give my best every day. Why do these sentences work? Because they answer the question directly. Because they use strong, positive words. Because they make a promise. And interviewers love people who make confident promises. We are now in the middle of our journey, and I must remind you, at the end of this video, I will give you that one magic sentence, the sentence that protects you. When your English suddenly stops working, stay with me, it is coming very soon, and if you are still here right now, type, I am ready in the comments. That simple action shows your dedication, and dedication is what gets people hired. Scenario 3, the weakness question. The interviewer says, what is your biggest weakness? Most people go silent here. They think this question is a trap. It is not a trap. It is an invitation to show your self-awareness, an invitation to show your honesty. Here are your 3 sentences. Number 1, I sometimes feel nervous when speaking in large meetings. Number 2, but I have been practicing and I am getting better every week. Number 3, I believe being honest about this shows I am always improving. Repeat after me. I sometimes feel nervous in large group situations, but I am practicing and I am getting better. Being honest shows I am always improving. Why do these sentences work? Because honesty is respected in every culture. Because showing growth is more powerful than showing perfection. Because the interviewer is human too. They have weaknesses too. They respect someone who owns their truth. Now I want you to do something different. I want you to stop for just one moment. Close your eyes. Imagine you are sitting in the interview room. Feel the chair beneath you. Notice the cool air from the air conditioning. The room is quiet. The interviewer is in front of you. But you are calm. You are prepared. You know what to say. Now take one slow, deep breath in. Hold it for 3 seconds. And breathe out slowly. Feel your shoulders go down. Feel your hands relax. Feel your mind become clear. You are ready. You have done the work. You know the words. The only thing left is to speak. Open your eyes. You just rehearsed your confidence. Your brain does not know the difference between imagination and reality. You just practiced being calm in that room, and now your body remembers how it feels. Now I want to tell you a story. A true kind of story. The story of Ali and Maria. Ali came from Pakistan. He had 10 years of engineering experience. He was brilliant at his work. He knew every answer to every technical question. But in the interview, he went silent. Not because he did not know, but because he was afraid his English was not good enough. He waited for the perfect sentence. The perfect sentence never came. So he said very little. He smiled a lot. And he went home without the job. Ali was rejected 12 times. 12 times he had the skills. 12 times the fear spoke louder than he did. Maria came from the Philippines. Her English was not perfect. She made small grammar mistakes. She sometimes searched for words mid-sentence. But Maria never went silent. When she did not know a word, she described it. When she made a mistake, she smiled and continued. She said this in one interview: "I may not say it perfectly, but I will do the job perfectly." Maria got hired on her second interview. The difference between Ali and Maria was not skill. It was not grammar. It was not accent. It was the decision to speak. Broken English is better than silent English. Ali's silence said, "I am not confident." Maria's broken sentences said, "I am here. I am real. I am ready." You are Maria. Starting today, you are Maria. And now, I promised you something. You waited for it. You earned it. Here is the one magic sentence. When you feel your English stopping, when the words disappear, when the fear comes back, say this: "I want to make sure I answer this well, so give me one moment." That is it. Say those words. Watch what happens. The interviewer leans back. They nod. They wait. They respect you. Because that sentence does not sound like fear. It sounds like professionalism. It sounds like someone who takes the question seriously. It sounds like exactly the kind of person they want to hire. Your grammar did not matter in that moment. Your accent did not matter. Your pause did not matter. Your intention mattered, and they felt it. You have come so far in this video. You have practiced 3 scenarios. You have found your calm breath. You heard the story of Ali and Maria. And now you carry the magic sentence. You are not the same person who pressed play. You are already different. You are already stronger. And I want to say something to you directly. Not as a teacher. As someone who believes in you. I believe you will walk into that interview room. I believe you will sit down and breathe. I believe you will speak. Imperfectly, honestly, and powerfully. And I believe they will hire you. Because you showed up today. Because you practiced today. Because most people quit before the video ends. But not you. Only the top 1% watch until the very end. If you are one of them, comment below. I am hired. Say it before it happens, because the mind believes what the mouth says. Say it. I am hired. Now go practice, go speak, go win. The job is waiting, and now, so are you.